today I'm going to be making dog treats or dog biscuits, and I already made a video on this before, but this is a slightly different recipe, and this recipe only has 4 ingredients. This is our mixing bowl. We need about 1 cup of shredded cheese, and then we need 1.5 cups of flour, and I would usually use high altitude flour, but we have coconut flour we really need to use up, so that's what I'm going to be using. Now we heat up 1/2 cup of water. Now we use 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon and dissolve it in the water. Now you can either use 1 egg, or you can use 3 tablespoons of oil or 3 tablespoons of applesauce. This is a little too dry, and I think the coconut flour has something to do with it. Since this is so dry, I'm going to add more water with beef bouillon. Okay. And I might add another egg. If you don't know why my mom made me use this flour, they're going to be really weird because it's not high altitude, and I don't know why she bought this flour because I've never made anything with coconut flour. I'm going to put in 1 more egg. I think I'm gonna add some oil. So I'm not really gonna measure this. I'm just going to try to make it mixable. Okay, well, these are going to turn out like crap, but let's put them in the oven anyways. It's not even worth it. It needs more oil. Now we bake them for 15 to 30 minutes. I'm not sure how they're going to turn out because 1, I live in high altitude and we used coconut flour, and 2, we used coconut flour. And coconut flour is very dry. So I ended up adding 1 extra egg and an entire cup of canola oil. But I'm sure my dog will still like them. Oh, and I added another 1/2 cup of beef bouillon and water.